Alright, this is the APS RAM Shotgun. That's the retractable stock. This is what you will be getting when you buy it, minus the sight riser and the reticle, and the paint and the other tank, obviously. This is the stock. You fit two 12-gram CO2s into this right here. Here, just get that out. Into this. The back screws off. Simple. I don't have it attached right now because I don't have any 12-gram CO2s. But basically, for the retractable stock, it works like any other car stock, except there's this little button here, and that fits right into the back of the shotgun, right there. And then you just stick that in, and it'll stay there forever until you take it off. And I will be using my big ol' air tank. It just fits right on the back like any other ASA. And I'll be shooting regular Stinger paintballs. For the reload system, there's a little piece of metal here that you can open and close to hold your paintballs. I'll only throw a couple in there just for demonstration. I'll have a video up later showing what this thing can really do. I have the FPS turned down to just about 280. So you just push the paintball in, and then you put your next one in, and you push it behind this little latch here, and it'll hold the paintball unless you're using shoddy quality paint, in which case it'll prang out, and it's what it's doing right now for this paintball. So you can do what I've done before and just leave it like that. And if it doesn't spring out like it just did, you should be fine. Alright, so 3 paintballs sounds good to me. And just give me a second and I'll put the thing together and I'll fire it. And then I'll show you guys what it can really do. Safety. A quick selection of just 3 paintballs. I tried to demonstrate the reload purpose, how the slide actually comes back like a regular shotgun would all the way. Not sure how that turned out in the video, but it should be pretty good. For those of you that are wondering, I'm firing just below 2,000 pounds. And yeah, I'll show another video in just a minute. So this is just a basic size comparison between the Tippmann X7 Phenom and the APS RAM Shotgun. Both have 14-inch barrels on, and that's a stock comparison. It's almost exactly the same. And then the actual gun itself, it's just about the same length. Maybe about half an inch smaller. Yeah, so this is the APS RAM Shotgun again. I'm going to be firing 12 paintballs. I just loaded them in. Without modifications, 12 I believe is the maximum you can fit in, but you could probably squeeze 13 if you can get one into the breech without making it fire. So I'm just going to prop it up and I'll test it from about 50 feet away. Sorry about that, I just didn't even realize I'd loaded the first ball, so yeah, it was 12. Yeah, okay, go.
I didn't even... That is so fun.
Alright, fill it up with more paint, and then I'm going to take a shot of you, just the reload action. So put like 7 or whatever in there. Just a number above 7. That's cool.
Come on.
Alright, let's do this.